Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be doing makeup looks, and today I did a nice spring look for you, spring romance look I will call it for you today. But yeah, first off I do want to say a thank you to those of you who have come from the blog Me and My Sister Share, and if any of you are interested to get to know me a little bit more, please check in the description box down below. You'll see the link to my blog. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! See you soon! Right, so today I will be using my primer, which is the Infallible Mattifying Base Primer from L'Oreal. I use this all the time. Before, I used to actually use, what was it? I was using another primer before, you know. I want to show you something, I think. Let me go check. Give me 1 second. So before, I was actually using the Smashbox primer, which is really good, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, but it was £26 when I last bought it, and seeing as I just moved into my first home, I had to save on a coin, so I started to look for something cheaper, and then my colleague actually referred to this to me, and it's actually really good, to be honest. Now that that's done, I will be using the E.L.F. eyebrow and clear eyebrow and eyelash mascara to set my eyebrows. Not set them, but you know, I've got like these very disrespectful eyebrows sometimes, you know. Like the hairs, you could tell, are clearly too long, and when I try to actually sort it out, it's like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Let that dry. Let's get onto the foundation. I was swatched as $3.90 and I liked it, but then I thought maybe it makes me look a bit orangey, so let me try something else. So I bought $4.10 and then it just made me look too brown, so I've got two and I'm gonna mix both of them. You know what, one day I tried to put it on my face because I see it in the tutorials on YouTube, and I had my uniform on, I was getting ready for work, and as I squeezed it onto my face, it legit just dropped onto my white trousers, and I was like, so you know, do what you can be, don't force it. Okay, so now that that's done, so we're gonna go onto the eyeshadow now. Like I said, it's spring, and spring reminds me of roses. It reminds me of love, romance. It's so boring being single sometimes, but let's get into it. I will be using the Tammy Revolution eyeshadow pack, the Tropical Paradise palette. And can you imagine? And then I just realized that she just released another one, so it's like, I just got this one, like, okay, I'll try catch up. Ooh, okay. God doesn't give you what you can't handle. That's what I believe. So I want to darken here. I really want to darken here a little bit. But I'm going to keep in mind that it is a spring look. So let me not mess this up. So I'll be using, you know what, I've thrown the names away. So I will be using now this dark purple here. That's what I'm going to be using. Just on the corner here. Just on the corner. I'm using this one. Yep. I made up my mind. There's no going back. Maybe there is going back. I don't know how it's looking, y'all. I should have primed my eyelids. How about that? So what I'll be using to do my crease will be the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. I don't know why I got excited and thought this would be a perfect highlight color for me, but it's too light. It is too light. So I'm really thinking to use this one here. On this eye. Oh, what color am I using, V? It's like this. It looks brown, more color. I like it. So it's time to do my concealer, and I'll be using the new E.L.F concealer in Deep Olive. Okay, in Deep Olive, and I'll be using to contour. To contour, I'll be using Rich Cocoa, but I've used the E.L.F concealer before, and when I put it under my eyes, when I tell you, it made me look so old because it's actually such a mattifying concealer, and it dries up quick. So I'm first gonna put just directly under my eyes, like where the creases normally show, the LA Pro Girl Concealer in Fawn. So I will be setting my concealer now with the Sacha Buttercup. When I tell you, this setting powder is on point. The reason why I say this is because I've had this for 2 years. And it's nearly finishing now, but I've had this literally for 2 years. So you do the maths. Okay, and I use makeup like what? Nearly 5 days a week. Average 4 days a week. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna press the powder where I've highlighted, okay? Oh, she put on too much. What's she doing? This is cute. So I struggle to find a bronzer or setting powder that, a bronzer or a contour color that is perfect for me in a powder form. So what I do use is L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color Deep Neutral. And I use it for my nose, around my nose. It works for me. Like, it's subtle, because I don't think I need it, to be honest. I don't think I need like so much. Let's see. The LA girl, my LA girl, LA girl. I'm gonna be using the LA girl to, you know, oh shoot, what was I doing? I fully just punched the camera. The way the light is shining on this, I feel like I've done too much. Ooh, ooh, look at that highlight. Oh, look at my edges, but look at my highlight. Yes, sir. Got new shoes on the right. Yes, sir. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my eyeliner and my eyelashes, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Eyelashes, eyeliner's done. and I've done my eyebrows, and I used the Bourjois Paris felt tip eyeliner. So yes, I use a felt tip eyeliner to do my eyebrows, and I just recently got this one and it's in brown, and I've been using black all this time because it's hard to find a brown one, and I finally found a brown one that works. So yes, I don't like to use too much spray. Sometimes I watch people's videos and they literally like douse their face in the spray, and I'm like, that's too much. So yeah, so we all know about Urban Decay, come on now. Oh, wait, didn't do my tear duct. I find doing makeup so therapeutic to me, especially like, you know, when you go through that breakup, when someone disappoints you and then it's like, wow, do me like that. Legit, that's when I want to go into my makeup and just, you know, when you beat that face and you leave it bruises, that's how much beating you're doing. That's what I like to do. Like whenever things seem a bit like down for me, I like to just go in and recreate, you know, change me, make me look my best, innit? We've got a stunt on it. Some people that try to hurt you. So I'm using, well, it's nearly finished, but I'm using this, forget the Bourjois, I'm using Windsor Rose matte liquid lipstick from the Body Shop. It's really nice and soft. Let me see how I'm looking, because sometimes it could be looking crazy though. Ooh, look at the juice, so juicy. My lips looking juicy. My Pro Revolution matte lipstick in the color Pretense. Ooh, she sounds interesting. And this dries nicely as well. And it's like a nice, decent brown one. Like, I love brown lips. I'm gonna use it as like a liner. It's quite similar to what I've got on already, to be honest. Okay, I guess that just solidifies the colour that's existing. So, you know, let's try Pro Evolution matte lipstick in Show. This comes out dark though. But you know what? Let's do it. Dark. I got this from Superdrug. Most of these things I'm using I got from Superdrug, to be honest. I'll tell you, Superdrug is the plug, okay? With my glasses, see how it's fully looking, you know. It's fine. I think it's fine. And look, it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, but over time it will actually go down a little bit because I really like matte lipstick because I feel like it lasts a lot longer. But, for real, I've got to edge control these or just hide them. Like, tuck them away, V. You never saw them. Y'all never saw them too, okay? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my spring look. Please do not forget to at least like, subscribe, or drop a comment. I do not mind. And don't forget that I put the link to me and my sister's blog in the description box. Take a trip down there and get to know me a little bit more. I look forward to seeing you soon and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.